home remedy to remove cysts and grease ball forever in just 7 days. Nothing causes so much pain as a lipoma. The fatty adipose tissue most often appear on the arms, back and neck, but it can also appear on other body parts. The condition usually affects people over 40, although it can affect younger people as well. The usual treatment involves a surgical procedure, but you should know that lipoma can be removed with some natural remedies as well. Today we're going to present a simple natural remedy that will remove the cysts in your adipose tissue effectively and without side effects. The remedy contains only 2 simple ingredients: flour and honey. It's easy to prepare at home and should be applied directly on the skin. Just mix equal amounts of flour and honey. Apply the paste on the affected part and cover with a bandage, leaving the remedy to work for 48 hours. Afterwards, rinse with warm water and repeat the process again. The paste should be applied up to 5 times a day. You should notice the lipoma getting smaller in just a couple of days. Alternatively, you can use a mixture of 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 egg yolk, which you should rub on the adipose tissue 4 times a day for the same results. Try any of the remedies and you will be amazed by the results.